Dropshipping is an e-commerce fulfillment model that allows online sellers to run a retail business without having to stock inventory themselves. Instead, the store transfers customer orders and shipment details to a third-party supplier, who then ships the goods directly to the customer. It sounds like a hassle-free way to make money online, and in some ways it is. But like any business model, it comes with its own challenges and trade-offs. Let us begin by understanding what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment strategy where a seller does not keep the products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller forwards the order to a third-party supplier, usually a manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer, who fulfills the order by shipping it directly to the customer. This means the seller never physically handles the product. It greatly simplifies logistics, but also means the seller has limited control over inventory, shipping times, and product quality. Typically, the process works like this. First, the seller signs a partnership agreement with a dropshipper. A customer browses the online store, chooses a product, and places an order. The dropshipper receives the order and sends it to the supplier. The supplier picks, packs, and ships the product directly to the customer. The customer receives a confirmation and later the package. The order is considered read complete unless there is an issue such as damage or delay. So who are the key players in this process? There are four main roles. First, the seller of record store. This is the individual or company that sells the product to the customer and is responsible for pricing, customer service, and taxes. They technically own the product until it reaches the customer. Second, the manufacturer. They produce the goods. Manufacturers typically sell in large quantities, so small businesses may find it hard to purchase from them directly. Third, the wholesaler. These are intermediaries who buy in bulk from manufacturers and sell in smaller quantities to retailers. Wholesalers don't usually deal with end consumers. Fourth, the dropshipper. The dropshipper facilitates order fulfillment and shipping. They're essential in making the whole process seamless. Now let us weigh the pros and cons of the dropshipping model. Pros of dropshipping: lower startup costs. You don't need to invest in a warehouse or store inventory. This significantly reduces the upfront capital required to launch your business. Lower risk since you're not buying inventory upfront. There is a lower risk of losing money on unsold goods. Flexible location. All you need is an internet connection. You can run a dropshipping business from anywhere in the world. Wider product range. You can offer a vast range of products without worrying about managing stock or storage. Cons of dropshipping: lower profit margins because it is so easy to start. Competition is fierce. Many sellers price products very low to attract buyers, which makes profit margins slim. Quality control issues. You never see or touch the product, so it is difficult to ensure quality and consistency. Slower delivery because you're not in control of the shipping process. Delivery times can be longer. This is especially true if your supplier is overseas and shipping internationally. Inventory problems. Real-time inventory updates are rare in dropshipping. If a product is out of stock with your supplier, you might not know until a customer has already placed an order. Limited branding. Since you don't handle the product, you can't customize packaging or include inserts to promote your brand. Let us now go over how to start a dropshipping business if you're a beginner. Step 1. Market research. Research trending products, customer demand, and the level of competition. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and online marketplaces to gather insights. Step 2. Choose a platform. Select user-friendly platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to host your online store. Step 3. Set up your online store. Choose a memorable domain name. Design your store using themes. Add product descriptions, photos, pricing, and keywords to improve search rankings. Make sure your store works well on all devices. Step 4. Find a reliable dropshipper. Look for suppliers with good reviews, fast shipping, and reasonable prices. Test their servers before fully committing. Step 5. Market your store. Run ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Work with influencers or create engaging video content to drive traffic. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Track your sales, traffic, and conversion rates. Adjust your product offerings and marketing strategies as needed. Tips for success. Start with a small number of products. Focus on niches with strong demand and low competition. Offer excellent customer service to build trust. Request samples to verify product quality. Be transparent with shipping times. Keep testing and learning from your data. Dropshipping can be a great way to enter the world of e-commerce without heavy upfront investment. However, it is an get-rich-quick scheme. Success takes research, patience, and ongoing optimization. If you're willing to put in the work, dropshipping can be a scalable global business model. Is dropshipping profitable? Yes, but margins are usually seen often between 15 to 20%. Success depends on smart product selection and efficient marketing. Do I need a website to dropship? Most people use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, but some also use social media or apps. Is Amazon a dropshipping company? No, but Amazon allows third-party sellers to dropship using their platform. Is it legal? Yes, as long as you follow business regulations and pay taxes, dropshipping is completely legal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into global logistics and e-commerce strategies.